Hello hook loopers, welcome to my crochet channel. I'm Sarah. Today I would like to show you a special decrease method I am using these days that is different than the standard decrease method in Tunisian crochet because it uses the Tunisian twisted stitch. But it is simpler if I show you how this works. So let's say I have a work here and I'm working very simply in Tunisian simple stitch. So let's say I want to make an increase. A decrease. The usual decrease method everybody learns is this. So where I go with my hook under 2 stitches at the same time, like this, yarn over, pull through both stitches and drop a single loop, okay? And this V forms here on front, okay? And I am left with a stitch less than what I have initially chained. So what happens here, if you look closely at the stitch that is formed here with my decrease, you can see that this upside down V here has a kind of direction, that is to say it is slightly bent towards left. Okay, you can see it. So nowadays when I'm doing my leafy projects where I need to go this way and change direction and that way, I find it very useful to use another method to decrease 2 stitches together. That is to say, the twisted decrease method. So this is how it's done usually. So first of all, the Tunisian twisted stitch, if you remember, can be done like this. So I go with my hook from left to right under the next stitch, okay? And then I twist my stitch and do either like this or like this, okay? So if I do my second kind of twisting, the one I've just shown you, so I go with my hook from left to right instead of from right to left, under the stitch, grab the vertical bar and twist my hook going upwards, then yarn over and pull through, and I've just created a twisted stitch that is slightly bent towards right. So this is exactly what I need to do. It's the same movement I need to do when doing my twisted decrease method. But instead of going under just 1 stitch, I will need to go under 2 stitches together. This is a little bit more complicated, but practice makes the master. So I usually go, maybe you need to stretch out the stitches a bit before you do this kind of decrease. Then you go under 2 stitches together, going with your hook from left to right. You need to grab both stitches at the same time, okay, like this. Then you twist upwards, yarn over, pull through, and there you go. You have your twisted decrease, and as you see, this time the V is bent slightly towards right. So this is a difference with the standard decrease method, which is like this. So here you can see the difference. This one, the twisted decrease, is slightly bent towards right, while this one, the standard decrease method, is slightly bent towards left. And this helps creating this design where the direction of the stitches changes, okay? And this method is extremely useful, I think, and I'm using it a lot, as I said, in my latest projects. So this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.